I have another upgrade on this boom Vader. I'm gonna be switching out the gear shifter. I got this off of Amazon for like, I don't know, $10. Came red, little red accents, matches the shock, the red calipers over here. But I'm gonna show you a step-by-step on how to take off the old one. But I think this one just pretty much bolts onto that. Unscrew that hex nut and then put this one. This will replace this link along with it that's attached to the rear set. What I'll do is loosen this, the link, and then there's like a 10mm nut right here. I'm gonna loosen this, and then I'm gonna loosen this so it separates. The size on this silver piece is a 8mm, and then this one, the nut is a 10mm. Got the old one off, and this was the clip that was blocking it. But if you do have one of those that kind of like clamps onto both, like goes inside the hole, so you could just pinch it together just to get to release the tension. If I don't have it, so I just hammered it off. Just use blue Loctite when you do put this back. Put this bolt on, just that holds this. And that's it. That's what it looks like. It's better than having this old one on there. This thing is flimsy. This stock one, it was flimsy. At least with this new one, it is solid. Like this, it doesn't even move. I know for this one, the old one, it has a feeling where you get a false neutral. You might think like you're neutral, but then it'll just jump into a gear automatically. You don't want that. This one wasn't good, and since this was only like a $10 upgrade, might as well get it. And plus it looks cool. But yeah, this one is sturdy. You can still shift. Oh yeah, I can't wait for it too. I'm gonna go give it a little test ride. Yeah, thank you for watching.